Hi guys, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. In this video, I'm going to make this super amazing party hairstyle specially for frizzy hair. But you can make this hairstyle in any sort of hair. If you have curly hair, straight hair or any other type of hair, this can go with all hair types. So without talking too much, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not become part of the charming family, become now by subscribing to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell button to get the notification of future videos. Also you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for today. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye, take care.